Well, I tried it once and it was 6 minutes. So I'm going to go back and try again. Perhaps you've been hearing about this artificial intelligence AI thing and you would like to learn more. Hopefully, you can get an easy start with me on this topic. And just so you know, my students are used to this, but just so you know, my PowerPoints are very simple because I could take all the time to make glitzy PowerPoints or I could make simple ones and have it done. So that's what you get. Now, if you look at this timeline, I'm not going to go all the way through it, but there have been times in my lifetime experience, my adult lifetime experience, where we had big jumps in technology that became really, really important. And I just have to tell you, though, it was 1981 at my college. They gave every division one, we called them dumb terminals, just a monitor and a keyboard. And it had wires, actual the cables like extension cords, running all the way through the ceiling, all the way to the other building where the actual computer was. And that was where we started. But things change, and this is going to be one of those changes that's just as important. Like when I got to have a calculator in chemistry class in high school. Oh, that was wonderful. Some terms to get us started. A platform is the service, whoever sponsors it or the company that sponsors it. There are two kinds, as you expect from any applications these days. There's a free version and a subscription version. You pay for the subscription version, you get more features. I'm using the free version. That's all I have. There's some dandy things on the paid versions, but I'm not doing it at this point. And then there are two ways you can access it. One would be either a standalone at a website, you go to a URL address and there you have it. And that's what I'll be showing you. The alternative is in Microsoft Word or in your photo editing program in your phone or in Alexa. It's an embedded AI tool. And then a couple of terms. I already said what the platform was. GPT, like ChatGPT, is generative pre-trained transformer. Somebody took a bulk of information, got got from who knows where. You know, that's a factor to consider because maybe it's a source of bias. But take this information and train the model, okay, beforehand. So it's pre-trained. And what it does is take that information that's in there and by some method, it transforms it into generated new text. It generates new text. So you ask it a question, it gives you an answer, and it made that up. It wants very much to please you. It might actually work so hard to please you that it hallucinates, which is the word we're using for when it invents things to make you happy. You always have to check it very carefully. Those are some terms just to get you started. We'll continue, 3 minutes. We'll continue on now with the next video, each short video so I can replace them as technology changes. And we'll continue learning about how to access AI on some platform.